Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. Father Miguel Angel Garcia, General Counselor for Youth Ministry for the Salesian Congregation, and Sister Runita Borja, Counselor for Youth Ministry for the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, are already among the pilgrims at WYD Lisbon 2023. Yesterday, 2nd August, the two councillors attended the special Salesian family program at WYD Lisbon 2023, the SYM Day, taking place in Lisbon and Estoril. In the morning, with the Rector Major of the Salesians and the Mother General of the FMA, they took part in the SYM Forum to reflect with young people on the role of the Salesian youth movement within the church and share different visions and experiences. The meeting was attended by about 300 young people representing the various Salesian provinces. In the afternoon, the two councillors took part in the SYM festival, which brings together some 9,000 young pilgrims from the Salesian environments registered for this WYD from as many as 78 different nationalities. In the photo, Father Rafael Bejarano and Father Darius Joswick from the youth pastoral team, Father Ricardo Javier Campoli and Father Makij Makula from the social communication sector, Father Miguel Angel Garcia and some volunteers. In the early afternoon of 1st of August, the young people from the Salesian Youth Movement SYM in Portugal made their WYD 2023 animation debut with a parade through the streets of central Lisbon. A group of 14 students from the Salesian Music Centro in Lisbon played, spreading an atmosphere of festivity and joy among the pilgrims who walked the streets. The wind and percussion band performed for an hour, taking those walking by surprise, but arousing spontaneous support for the initiative and warm approval. Indeed, as the band paraded through the streets, the crowd in its wake increased amidst general enthusiasm. A large group of young people from the Salesian Youth Movement SYM and members of the Salesian province of Mexico MEM made a pilgrimage across the Atlantic to attend the 37th World Youth Day in Lisbon, presided over by the Pope Francis. After departing by plane, they had a first experience on their way to WYD 2023, encountering a warm welcome and the great affection of the community in Aires, Diocese of Porto, where they were welcomed by local families. They then had the opportunity to visit the Fatima Shrine, commenting on all the intentions, needs and gratitude of the people who are in our lives. They then set off for Lisbon to attend WYD 2023, marching to meet young people from all over the world who have heard the Pope's voice. This group of pilgrims to WYD is led by Father Hugo Herrera Rosales, SDB, Delegate for Youth Ministry in MEM Province, accompanied by Father Marco Antonio Aburto, SDB. We are here in the city that is yours. These were the words of Cardinal Manuel Clemente, Patriarch of Lisbon, who began the opening Mass of World Youth Day in Lisbon. The pilgrims began to move hours before the start of the Mass, pouring through the streets of the city towards the hill of the meeting in Eduardo VII Park, right in the heart of Lisbon. A strong security contingent, which worked perfectly, ensured that everyone had quick access to the place of celebration. With a rich and varied program of entertainment, youthful joy was evident everywhere. Flags of many countries, dances, songs and smiles. Lots of smiles. Don Bosco would have felt at home. Musical Don Bosco, a show presented by the Lisbon Salesians at the Youth Festival, was performed for the first time on the first day of World Youth Day WYD Lisbon 2023. The Rector Major of the Salesians, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, attended the dress rehearsal on the 31st of July, accompanied by some Salesians from the provincial community and relatives of the cast members. At the end, the 10th successor of Don Bosco took the stage to address the young people and the entire team. After praising the quality of the music and the show, he joked with some of the protagonists. Father A.F. Artime also expressed his general gratitude for the many hours of rehearsals which had resulted in a show of great quality and faithful to historical facts. The Lisbon Salesians are presenting musical Don Bosco at the Oceanos Auditorium. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.